Plus, we're back with a Valley dentist and news for folks with gum disease. Stick around.
When you're near me, tell me you will stay, make me smile.
Gotta love Chicago. I'm not sure what that has to do with flossing, but Dr. Alison Schwartz is here. She is a dentist from Healthy Smiles Dentistry in Scottsdale. And welcome, and thanks for coming on the show. I was just telling you, I am a flossing fool. I love to floss, but a lot of people don't like to. Some people don't.
Well, and if you're good at flossing, keep doing it.
Yeah.
That's
What
for sure.
is once a day okay, or?
Once or twice a day.
Okay.
But the things that I know is that there is as many bacteria living in your mouth as there are people on the planet, and brushing and flossing are supposed to control that.
Yeah.
And the consequence of not controlling that is getting gum tissue or gum disease, periodontal disease.
All right. Well, what's the answer?
Well, about 85% of adults over the age of 35 have some form of gum disease. And what happens is you start off with gingivitis, which we have a picture of, and that's a reddening of the gum tissue, swelling, bad breath, bleeding when you brush and floss. And when that's not addressed, it turns into periodontal disease.
I see.
And something you don't think about is that when you kiss somebody who does not take care of their mouth, you are being given all those harmful bacteria. And the same goes for a parent who bites food off and then gives it to their child.
All right, that makes sense. So you've got this new gel here. How does this work?
Well, what happens is now you're able to treat yourself at home with a tray and medicine, so you don't have to worry about how well you floss or if you're any good at it at any point. So what happens is we take impressions of somebody's teeth, similar to what you'd had done like for a bleaching tray or something like that. That gets sent off. We get back a tray. The patient loads the tray with hydrogen peroxide and antibiotics, places it over their teeth for about 10 to 15 minutes a day. What makes this special, and nothing else has been able to do this, is there is a seal at the gum tissue which gently pushes the medicine down between the teeth and the gums and eliminates the bacteria.
I see. Well, it's too bad you can't mix that with a teeth whitener.
No.
That'd be a nice deal. Then you kill two birds with one stone. Not the same thing. How much does something like this cost?
Typically, if you are treating something easy, about $1,000. If you are treating very severe periodontal disease like we saw in the photographs, then it can be more than that.
Okay, I believe we have some before and after photos.
Yes, this person had not been to the dentist in years. The impressions are actually taken over all of that junk on their teeth, and that is the only way they treated the disease was with the trays alone.
How long did that take to get the benefits there?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
That's it.
Well, I would say it's worth $1,000 then for sure. There's another before and after.
And it keeps people from having to have surgery to treat it.
I'm surprised that people, well, you know how it is, but some people apparently wait too long.
They do, but it is reversible because what we see is that people's teeth tighten with this product.
Okay.
And they do not bleed when they brush and floss, and their breath is fresher.
Well, there's some good candidates. You can read that yourself. People who avoid the dentist, bad breath, the smokers, multiple crowns, pregnant or planning to get pregnant, risk of heart disease and stroke, and unable to effectively brush at what? At what was that? I missed the end of that. At nights?
Well, period.
Just
but
period. Okay.
The surprising thing is that periodontal disease has been linked with low birth weight babies and preterm labor.
Really?
So women who want to become pregnant need to take care of their mouth.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in. That's really interesting information. We'll have all the information on our hotline. You saw it right there, azfamily.com. So when we come back, we're going to help you plan out your weekend with Matt from showup.com. And then Brad is back with a closer look at your weekend weather. We'll see if it's going to rain, and we'll see how long this hot trend will continue.